Ata Borut, Drejc, pa jaz, pa naši bicikelčki, evo.
Moj imaš zmer pohno gumo.
Njegov ima pohno gumo, klele imamo rezervo, tole gor. Tole.
Jer ni pa prazno, da
Evo.
ne bi v maju, a ne?
Underneath the stars where we parked the car, ain't showing signs of stopping. Pretty little girls, headed to the curb.
Koji dober, materica.
Peralbo bomo videli z vrha, to je značilni pred vrh Dolomitov, ima čist obliko piramide. Se znaš ga konc videti. Peralba se imenuje.
Baby's gonna be a big one, oh yeah. Baby's gonna be a big one.
Bye.
When we see the lights and we hear the fights, it's gonna be a stunner. I got something here. If you give me one more beer, I'm gonna call the runner. I don't wanna say what I have to say. Babe, I'm kicking off now.
A vidi?
Aha.
Tam smo zavili not, pa smo se tukaj po zgornjem dolin peljali. Cele gor gre pa v Italijo, po zadnji Evropi.
Aj, to je nadiža, ha?
Ja, to je nadiža, ker dol pride pa nazaj, kjer zavije pa gre nazaj v Italijo.
I'm going back down south now. I'm going back down south now.
Mora biti normalno fokus posnet padati.
Ja.
You wanna go? I'm going back down south now. Come on, take my hand. I'm
Oh, fly
going
water, eh?
back down south now. We see the light and we hear the fights. I'm going back down south now. All I wanna know is how far you wanna go. I'm going back down south now.
Evo fan, tako se vam zdi. Aj zajebantsko.
Che vado, giù.
Scendi,
Wow.
scendi.
Naprimer na vodi v vrh. Na poti proti vrhu se odpre lep pogled v dolini Soče ter na kolovrat z vasjo Foni na njegovih pobočjih. Lep in hiter spust pa tu različni.
Evo, delavnica.
Tega. Evo, kar direktno v avtomobilu, delavnica.
Gremo mi na špice. Evo, po dolgotrajnih mukah gremo novim dogodivščinam naproti. Evo, Matajur.
Standing in line to see the show tonight, and there's a light on. Heavy
Kult jezerce se reče. Jezero v Lužnici.
I'd be there, waiting for Danny the girl is singing songs to me beneath the marquee. Overload. Stickmaster, Gotcha, Conjure, Cut. Skin that flick, she's such a little DJ. Get that quick, my streets burn up the freeway. Turn that trick to make a little leeway. Beat that nick, but not the way that we play. Dogtown, Bloodbath, Ribcage, Softail. Standing in line to see the show tonight, and there's a light on, heavy glow. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there, waiting for. Blackjack, dope dick, pawn shot, quick pick. Kiss that dyke, I know you want the whole one. Not on strike, but I'm about to blow one. Bite that mic, I know you never stole one. Girls that like the story, so I told one. Salford, Mainline, Cashback, Hot Top. Standing in line to see the show tonight, and there's a light on, heavy glow. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there, waiting for.
Ja, bravo, fantje. A se vse krvavo, ne? No? A je tle za en šnopček, zaprosimo malo.
Oversold. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there, waiting for. Kissing in the mood, 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 kissing in the mood. Standing in line to see the show tonight, and there's a light on, heavy glow. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there, waiting for Danny the girl to sing a song to me beneath the marquee. Oversold. By the way, I tried to say I know you. Looking for standing in line to see the show.
Ampak oni imamo moči za
Ne, dvakrat bolj z ruke, ko
Heavy glow. By the way,
Evo,
I tried
še
to
zadnji
say
metri
I'd be
našega
there,
potvana, super je bilo.
waiting for.
Res je bilo fajn. Zmagali, bravo, ej. Evo,
Drugi dan smo dali skozi. Vrhunsko po moje.
evo, kako je fajn.